Hey guys, Donnie here, and you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, today we're going to go ahead and do the drawing for the giveaway. Sorry, I'm a little behind right now. I'm on vacation, so I will be back in the next week and a half or so with new videos and some more giveaways of drones. So definitely stay tuned and hit that notification. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. So right now I'm going to go to a screen recorder. I'm going to pick out two winners, and then you guys will end up getting a hold of me to my email. I'll leave that in the description. So right now let's go to the screen recorder and pick out the winners. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and load the link up here to the video. Loading the comments. Here we go, 64 comments. Going to go ahead and select the first winner. Alright, Ace85. Alright. He said, thanks for the giveaway. I want these props. So that's awesome. Ace, you are my first winner for the props. So I'll go ahead and get your information from you. I have my email address in the description of this video. So get a hold of me there. I appreciate it. Let's go ahead and pick another winner. Okay, we got Craig. All right, Craig Higbee. I hope I'm saying that right. You're our second winner, buddy. So contact me as well. Like I said, I've got my email in the description down below. So there's the two winners there. I appreciate everybody. So let me get back to the main screen here, and we'll be back. Thank you guys so much for participating in this giveaway. Thank you, Master AirScrew, for sending these out. And thank you for setting up the giveaway for these two lucky winners. Congratulations, you guys. And I appreciate everybody who's new to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. You didn't have to do that. And for my subscribers, thank you guys so much for following me for so long and all the awesome support. Right now I'm on vacation, so I'll be gone for a couple weeks. I'll have some new videos coming up pretty soon and some more giveaways with drones. So stay tuned for that, you guys. So once again, Master AirScrew, thank you so much. And my viewers, thank you so much. And stay tuned when I come back. New videos, new giveaways. All right, guys. Like always, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.